Welcome back. What if you could have AI agents doing the heavy lifting in your workflows, researching companies, gathering insights, and updating data automatically? Today, we're going to show you exactly how to combine workflows with AI agents to unlock that power. Let's dive in and see how it works and how you can harness it.
Welcome back. Today, I'm about to show you something truly powerful. How to turbocharge your workload with Mazaal AI by combining AI agents. If you want to take your productivity and research game to the next level, this is for you. Suppose you got a Google sheet filled with decision makers, their names, their roles, their locations, and company names. It might be collected from something like LinkedIn Sales Navigator. But just having a list isn't enough. We need actionable insights, details about each company, what do they do, whether they offer something like AI services, and then best way to contact them. So essentially, at the end of the day, we're going to end up with all this information filled out for us, all automatically. So step one, essentially, this is the high level of today. We're going to create this kind of workflow with the AI agent in the middle. Whenever there's a new row added, as in the company entry added, then AI agent will look up into it, and then it will do research on it. And then it will come up with the small company research results, whether they offer AI service or not, and then contact information from the web. Once we got all this information, we will update the existing columns with the data we have collected. So step one, let's create your AI agent. Let's click on new agent and then select universal agent. Give your agent a unique name. In this case, I'm going to go with Bob enrichment agent. I'll just keep everything same. We don't need any knowledge sources in this case, so let's skip that. And on tools, this is the most important part. If you want to use your AI agents within the workflow, the output of your AI agent need to be consistent. So in this case, you can enable the structured output responses. And let's add few fields that you want to extract. So first one is company research. Give helpful descriptions, and then this will be required, and then this is going to be text. The second information I want to extract is AI services. So I want to know, whether they offer AI services or not. Last but not least, it's going to be contact info. So the usual email information or not. So I'm just going to toggle them all required so that AI agent will try its best to find all this information for me. If you are a more or less technical user, you can switch the look by clicking on code, and you will be seeing the JSON version of it where you can edit it directly. All right, I think we're almost there. Let's just add two more tools so that we can extend the capabilities of our AI agent. I want it to be able to do Google search and DuckDuckGo search. So that's pretty much it. Let's create an agent. All right, the agent has been successfully created. Let's open it and let's run a live example. So I'm just going to type company name, something like Mazal AI. So what's happening in the backend is your agent is searching Google or DuckDuckGo for the latest information, detects if AI services are offered, snags any available contact details, all formatted as a clean JSON. So as you can see, Mazal AI it was able to find about the company, whether we offer AI services. Yes, definitely yes, which is great, and then contact information. Okay, so I'm happy with the results. Let's actually bring this AI agent within the workflow. So you can create workflows like this. As a trigger point, you can add new row added Google Sheets. So whenever there's a new row added, our AI agent will pick that up and then do some research like this. And then the results will be written back to the Google Sheets that you have. And it will find the information and then fill out the specific rows that you are interested in. Once you're there, then you can publish it. But before doing that, let's actually test it. Meanwhile, I'll open this file. There you go. You have this new information added. the web research, company search result, whether AI offered, there's no information, and then also their contact details. You just automated business research. Now, all you got to do is click on publish so that whenever there's a new row added, AI agent will pick it up and then update your Google Sheets all over again and again. So this way you will save yourself this whole boring task. With Mazaal, you automate the boring stuff and focus on decisions, not data gathering. If you got questions or want to deep dive into advanced configurations, let us know in the comments or reach out to our website. Thanks for watching. Time to take your workload to the next level. See you in the next tutorial.